And this is Mighty Warlock coming at you with a new video project I'd like to call What Do Your Pipes Sound Like? Now, I don't know about you, but when I was shopping for pipes, I had the hardest time finding sound clips to give me an idea of what, the pipes I was looking at might sound like. So I thought if we could get the members with video cameras to go out to their bikes and just videotape what their pipes sound like and tell us what they are and maybe even why they chose these pipes, it would be kind of a cool idea. So I thought I'd start with my bike, which is a 2007 Ultra Classic. Now, I took off the stock mufflers and I threw on some Rush 15301-175 slip-ons. These have the 1.75-inch baffles in them. So let's give it a listen and tell us what you think. Now that you've heard my pipes, if you've got a video camera, please go out to your bike and just record what your pipes sound like and let us know so all of us can learn and listen. Thanks, and see you later.